Okay, let's do number 22 of our practice final exam. Assume the following premise is true. If Joe has to use an Elmo projector, he's going to have a headache. If he has a headache, he's not going to be in a good mood. Joe's in a good mood. Which of the following is a logically valid conclusion that uses all of these statements? I would not recommend looking at any of these yet until you've gone through the premises again. Now, like Venn diagrams, you want to start with the most specific piece of information. These two are if statements. These are not specific. 3, though, Joe is in a good mood, is specific. So we're going to start here. Now you want to connect this statement to another statement, usually through a direct or an indirect way. So notice that Joe is in a good mood is the negation of right here. Now if it's the negation of a consequent, an if-then statement, you got the condition, you got your consequent. If this is the negation of this, then it negates this. Right? That's how indirect works. So Joe is in a good mood, which means he doesn't have a headache. Because this is the way you do this. Joe's in a good mood, so he's not going to have a headache. Because if he did have a headache, he'd not be in a good mood, but that violates this, contradicts this. So it means he couldn't have had a headache. So right now we know that he doesn't have a headache. And then notice in the first one it says if he uses the projector, he's going to have a headache. Well, I know now he doesn't have a headache. If he doesn't have a headache, he's not using the Elmo projector. And that is the final answer. That's the conclusion we get from using all of these. So Joe does not use the projector, which would be B.